I can't do it today.
For many Americans, getting around isn't as easy as it used to be. You may have tried a power chair or a scooter, but you haven't tried the Zinger. It's quick, nimble, and fun to drive. The Zinger has revolutionary steering levers. You can go anywhere and everywhere, over rough terrain, around tight corners, right up to a desk or table.
I sure can.
With its powerful motor and lightweight battery, the Zinger can go up to 6 miles per hour, operating for up to 8 miles on a single charge.
We can do this!
The Zinger chair's rugged aluminum frame and compact yet powerful battery make it the world's lightest and most portable personal mobility device.
Cool. I'll meet in the food court.
Why spend another day letting mobility issues hamper your independence? Call now to get your Zinger. Call within 15 minutes and save $100. Plus, get a free Zinger handy-dandy utility basket. Get Zinger now. Call 800-288-9505. That's 800-288-9505. Compare Zinger to the rest. The Zinger is made from rugged aluminum, has a compact and powerful battery, is the world's lightest and most portable personal mobility device. Quick, nimble, and fun to drive.
The Zinger is so lightweight, either my wife or I fold it up and put it in our trunk in just seconds.
I can lift the Zinger in and out of my van. It's so much easier than the complicated scooter lift.
I bought the Zinger for my wife who was having problems walking. Now we go everywhere. The Zinger is a godsend.
We'll be bringing the Zinger on our Caribbean vacation. The Zinger has given my husband his life back.
I walk with a cane all my life, but the Zinger completely changed my life forever.
Call now to get your Zinger, the world's lightest and most portable mobility device. Zinger has a limited time money-back guarantee. Call within 15 minutes to save $100 and get the free Zinger handy-dandy utility basket. With such easy credit terms, you can pay as you're zinging round town. Call 800-288-9505. That's 800-288-9505. 800-288-9505.